Hey there, this video we're going to talk about where to get free background music. Okay, we want some background music for our wedding. I'm going to show you the couple of places that I use. If you've got a place that you're like, oh man, this is a cool spot, everyone should know, drop it in the comments. And if you're a student watching this video, check out the comments. There might be some good other places to get free background music. So Wistia is this place. Go to bringyourownlaptop.com/Wistia. They do video hosting. Okay, kind of like Vimeo and YouTube, but more commercial. But they do some free stuff in terms of music collections and just really good music. You know, it's not my favorite. Oh, good. Okay, so there is just lots in here. You can download them and use them in your work. Yeah, so that's Wistia. The other place that I get free music from is YouTube directly. So sign up to YouTube, or at least log in. Okay, you don't have to have a proper business account. Like this is my YouTube channel for Bring Your Own Laptop. Go check it out. Okay, youtube.com/bringyourownlaptop. But in here there is audio library. So it doesn't matter if you've got a personal account, okay, which is free, or a professional account like this one. Okay, you can go into audio library. Okay, and inside of here, there's some really cool stuff that YouTube give away. Now, the cool thing in here is that they're free music. There's also sound effects. Okay, but in the free music, you can organize by genre and mood. Okay, you can go through and say, I need some stuff that is ambient background stuff, but it's kind of a little bit calm. Okay, and it's only using drums. Okay, you can get really specific and then go through and preview it. Whoa. You can't really hear that, I know, but yeah, it's great fine. You can easily download it. Okay, use it in your Premiere Pro project. Your question might be, can I use this commercially for other things other than YouTube? And the answer at the moment is yes. They're not really explicit on it, but there's a couple of forums that I follow, and according to the T's and C's, it says yes, but don't take my word for it. If you're going to be doing it for, I don't know, some large insurance company background music, you might have to look at paid sites, okay? But, or at least get, you know, get somebody to look through the T's and C's to make sure you can use it. But at the moment, people are using this stuff all over the place, okay? And it's, some of it's bad and some of it's really good. The one thing you do need to check on is attribution. Okay, so some of them, if I click on this one, it says you are free to use a song and monetize your video. So there's nothing you need to do for it. It's just use it. There are some that require attribution required. Okay, so it's narrowed down the list. I've got a very specific group of requirements, but it just means that you can use this one, but you must include this in your video description. Okay, so just check whatever one you like. Don't worry about just, you know, some of them just require you to write that this is, you know, from us. And some of them are a little bit like you actually have to have it in the video. Okay, so just check out what they want from their, you know, from their licensing point of view. Or you can just go, only show me stuff that does not require any attribution. It means that I don't have to acknowledge it in any way, just get to use it. It's pretty amazing stuff. Let's look quickly at some paid sources. All right, I'm about to show you another link for paid stuff. It's going to be bringyourownlaptop.com/Envato. Okay, it goes to Envato Elements, and I've just realized there's going to be a lot of links. So you know, if you're furiously scribbling them down or wishing I would, I did. Okay, if you look in your exercise files now, I've started a file called links, and I'll start popping them all in there. And there's the edit stock one we looked at earlier, free music, okay, and this is the Envato one we're up to now. So Envato Elements, bringyourownlaptop.com/Envato. Okay, Envato Elements, I have a license to. I love it. It is amazing for music. Okay, but it's also, you pay a monthly subscription, but also you get lots of cool stuff like stock footage that you get to use, photos, graphics, icons, all sorts of cool stuff. We'll reference it a couple of times in this course because there's some really cool templates for Premiere Pro as well. But in terms of music, you can click on here and similar sort of process. I'm going to actually just hit search and look for it all, and you can refine it over the top here. Okay, you get a bit more control, and yeah, you can download them from here. Oh, okay, and download them. The one thing with this though is when it downloads, okay, you'll be given a document. Okay, in case you get challenged later on by somebody like YouTube, it says, hey, do you have a license to use this music? You can say, yep, here it is, and wave the bit of paper at them, and they'll let you monetize the video if that's something you're into. Okay, but there's just I guess a a higher level of quality and a lot more range. Okay, YouTube audio is cool, but it's quite limited and it's being used quite heavily by all other YouTube channels, which might not be a problem for you. I use it myself loads when I'm working with a client who, yeah, I just know that it's not worth trying to see if I can make free stuff work, and it's just easy to pay for something like this where I can get a license, official license, bit of documentation so everyone is happy and the legal team's happy and I'm happy, great music. But that's it, bit of Wistia, a bit of YouTube audio, and maybe some paid stuff through Envato Elements. Let's get into the next video. Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel here, and also if you want to go a bit further with Premiere Pro, consider checking out my Premiere Pro Essentials course. There is a link in the description. Bye now.